I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World.
Professor Vinster here. Now, I got a Christmas gift from a friend of mine, Kyle. He gave me a card I could go and shop online. So I decided, this is magnetic box, so I decided to get this. Now, this is not a review. This is just a gift from a friend. So it is a USB charged airbrush. Oops, I want to lose stuff here. Let's see if we can take this out half decent without losing parts and stuff. Okay. Oh, it's even got a unit to clean it out after. There's the airbrush itself. What do we got here? Okay, let's pull this open. Okay, there's the USB cord for charging. There. And there is the actual same kind of cord that you get with any other airbrush, which is really cool. Okay, let's actually move this box and the destructions, what I call them. Now, I'm not going to name the name of this because, like I said, it's not a review. It's just, what's in here? Let me see. Pull this out. Oh, there we go. There's the holder for the side. Oh, and there's these are so neat. They're big. Cups to hold. Oh, look at that. Now that's decent. I think you only get, what, 2 of those plus the holder. There we go. Now, we put the airbrush on the floor. Airbrush is still in here. We need that part. Oh yeah. Okay. So you have your option. You can actually use it like that. I think I have another airbrush exactly the same. So you can take that off. Just put them down gently and so you don't wreck the threads. Make sure you don't force things on if it wants to cross thread. Look at the capacity that it can hold. And it's clear, you can see through it. That's neat. Wow. That is really cool. And it's got the ounces, I believe. It doesn't say it's in ounces or not, but it shows you the ticks on the side so that you can decide what you want to do. And obviously, it goes like that. Push in that. And here's the actual control unit, which is, it's got some weight to it. Let's take the protective tape off so we can see this baby. And obviously, it's in like that. Now there's a side on it that I see in here that obviously holds the holder for the brush. Whoop, got it working already here. Hang on, turn that off. So obviously got some juice already in it. Okay, so let's see here. That obviously can go like that. There you go. I'll put that in a spot where it don't get rolled around. That is really neat. Ooh, that's got a lot of pressure. I'm going to turn it toward me so I can see the P3, P4, P4. Wow. And of course, it turns on and off when you. There you go. It's really decent. And you turn it off. And it still holds some air. So it's actually got a little bit of a reserve tank inside, it feels like. That is really, really cool. I like this. I can't wait. And also, they said that you can use it plugged into your computer or actually charges very quickly. So that's really, really cool. That's a neat toy. Thanks, Kyle.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.